January 5th and are believed to be in danger. Child 1 information, Matthew Davis, black male, age 10, brown eyes and black hair. Child 2 information, Michael Davis, black male, age 10, brown eyes and black hair. Child 3 information, DeAndre Davis Jr, black male, age 13, brown eyes and black hair. Child 4 information, DeAndre Watson, black female, age 15, brown eyes and black hair. Authorities say that the children may be in the company of Melanie Watson and they may be traveling in a black 2020 Chevy Malibu with Arizona registration 103712B. If you have any information on the whereabouts